Welcome to the Sample for Science app tutorial. This application is designed to help you archive and share your scientific samples. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the essential features of the app to ensure you make the most out of your experience. Step 1. Download and install the app. To do it, visit the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Sample for Science and click on the download button. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Step 2. Create your account. When you open the app for the first time, you will be prompted to create an account. Choose your Gmail or iOS account to register. After that, accept the terms of use. Put all of your information to start using searching and posting. Step 3. Look for the samples. Once you've logged in, you will be able to see lots of other samples. Choose the option you want using the search or the timeline. You can also use the star button to choose the samples or profiles that you want to save. In your dashboard, you can see everything you saved and your own samples. To post a sample, choose the Provide Sample button and log all of your information, along with the details of your experiment. You can also message other profiles using the app. If you have any bugs happening, use Report Bug to send a feedback. That was the tutorial. Now download Sample for Science and start sharing your samples and helping the scientific community.